I want to thank you for joining us here at this groundbreaking, and a big thank you, as Brian said, to our partners, both Jeffco Public Schools and the Apex Park and Recreation District. Meyers Pool was built in 1979. It was named after George J. Meyers, who was a local teacher and community member who supported the development of the facility, and he sadly passed away about the time that it was built. The facility was created and continues to represent a space that promotes wellness and recreation, provides a sense of community and healthy competition, and helps people of all ages learn and practice life-saving swimming skills. For the past 40 years, this pool has enhanced the lives of many of our neighbors within the City of Arvada, but also across the region and among so many competitive swimmers and divers. We've got a tradition in Arvada of having these partnerships. The city doesn't do it alone, the school district doesn't do it alone, Parks and Rec doesn't do it alone, but when we work in partnership with each other, we can get great things done.
Many of our families here in Arvada and across the Front Range have used Meyers Pool for years and years, for adult swimming, for youth lessons, club swimming competitions and practices, and so much more. As far as athletics and activities in Jeffco Public Schools go, this facility will continue to serve as the home of our swimming and diving programs. 15 of our 18 high schools scattered out all throughout Jefferson County Public Schools offer swimming and diving programs for both boys and girls. This facility will serve as home of their competitions, many of which will practice here, and will host our big events, our Jeffco League relays and our league's championships. The opportunity to have a first-class, state-of-the-art facility right here in the heart of Arvada and in the heart of Jeffco Public Schools is a tremendous opportunity and provides access to so many within our community. And I know as the athletics guy for Jeffco Public Schools, I could not be more excited.
As we've heard, our community has been using Meyers Pool for over 40 years. Our users include everyone from swim clubs, high school teams, master swimmers, divers, scout troops, individuals getting certifications, and I'll bet a lot of you didn't even know that we had Boga Yoga and Boga Fit, along with Kayak for Kids of Colorado. The new and improved Meyers Pool will be another multi-generational facility welcoming young and old, current users, new users, and it is our hope that those who grew up swimming here will come back to see the newest state-of-the-art natatorium. This is an exciting day for all of us as we finally take this first step to break ground.
Some highlights about the new facility. Be a leading regional facility that we will be proud of for decades to come. It's going to have a state-of-the-art pool, a secondary 25-yard pool for community programming, an updated diving area with 6 diving stands, additional spectator seating, and more parking. It's designed to achieve LEED Silver certification and has an advanced filtration system to conserve water. With that, I'm excited and proud to be breaking ground today with our partners in this project, and we're moving into the next chapter of the pool with a new facility to grow the space as a regional facility, to continue creating memories and a sense of community for many decades to come.